to sort through all the items and decide which ones I can and actually will turn into outfits when I'm out there. So I'll be carrying this suitcase and this bag, which kind of is looking small, but I need to carry it so I can wear it as a backpack. I'm thinking I'll put all the little things in here. This is my little toilet bag. I got it from Clicks like beginning of this year when I was traveling, and it's usually big enough to fit a lot of things, so I'm just going to pack everything in here. Oh. Taking up a quarter of my suitcase. Your stuff is taking up more than half. I'm running out of time. I have like 20 minutes to leave and I haven't packed anything. So, okay, I'm gonna sort them.